If you, Tara, and then Devin and Anthony, I'll ask you this question as well. If you were giving advice to someone that's just joined a new organization and they're like, all right, I love this idea of a common control framework. I want to get one established. What would be your one piece of advice that you'd say, do this?
Yeah, so my biggest lesson learned is I feel like you need to approach it as a product, right? In my opinion, managing a compliance framework, a unified compliance framework, moves you from being just an information security practitioner to like an information security product manager. And if you think about it in terms of like a product, then things like business buy-in and relationships make a lot of sense. And the people within the business just become one of the user personas you're delivering to. Um, and it makes it easier to manage things like nonconformities or exceptions as a bug or a feature request. And so I think looking at things with like a product management mindset really makes it a lot easier to start massaging into a common controls framework.